Merry Christmas! It's Pam again from Southern Oklahoma Library System. Right now I'm going to make some interesting way to present fruit for your kids. This is a Grinch Kabob, and then I'm going to make some Santa banana pops. So what you do first is peel your banana. You cut it in half. And then you're going to decorate it with eyeballs. That you can usually find around Halloween, or you can find them at lots of candy shops now. So you're going to put just a little dab of, this is frosting, on the eyeball and stick it right on the banana. If you don't use canned frosting, you are missing the boat. What you can do, it is so easy. You stick it in your microwave for just a few seconds and it gets soft, and then you just pour it over your cake or whatever, and it's real good for dipping things like this. And then you take a red M&M and stick it there for Santa's nose. Then a strawberry, and I'm going to just stick it in this. The picture has a big marshmallow, but I didn't want to go buy more marshmallows, so we're just going to use this. And I might have to stick something in it to make it hold. And then a small marshmallow on top of the strawberry. This is one of those things that you can use what you have. See, Santa's hat, with eyeballs and a nose. You can also use mini chocolate chips. You just mash those in and they look real cute. And you could really almost stick a skewer in it so it would hold on to it. These aren't going to be standing up, they're going to be laid down on a plate anyway, so they will look cute. Santa with the nose. Then I have Grinch Kabobs. The Grinch Kabob starts with a grape. You put on your, I'm going to use these long ones this time. Yeah. This is first. Then you slice a banana. I'm just going to slice one of these bananas I've already used. And a strawberry. And there you go. Now these you could stick in a container. And there you go. Ta-da! Merry Christmas.